attitude to the employer. The one on the left, the white T-shirt, besides the break. No, 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 the other side. You are. Yes. How to show them good service attitude. You can answer, then the next one.
For me, be professional. Don't if they told you something that you do not like, don't act as like you are here in the Philippines. Remember that we are all helper, and of course, as a helper, we should obey them as part of also an etiquette. We should always follow. Do not complain so much, or not so much, but of course, do not complain as long as you know that they are correct. Please do or put our place where we are.
Well,
Always smile and always greet our employer.
that's important. Always show them a friendly, cheerful smile. Okay. So another question: how to make use of common sense on your job so that employer know that you understand the job. Yeah. The one with yellow T-shirt, your answer.
Yes, sir. We can show a common sense to if the employer give you instruction, you concentrate, and if you don't understand the employer uh, the employer talk about, you can repeat question and keep in mind that you need to focus in work.
You you just recap, repeat. Okay. But actually, if you don't understand, you should ask. Okay.
Yes.
Don't just yes, mom, because that is lack of common sense. Okay. And if they did not give you an instruction to do something, like they did not ask you to change the things in a drawer, should you do that?
No, sir.
That's correct, because you should not take your own discretion and do it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, and then another one: how to show that you are concentrate on your work when they are talking to you. How you should look at them. The one besides the black color on my left. This one. No, 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 the other one. The other side.
Which one?
No, the besides the black color, you know, my left hand side. This one, yeah, this one. Yes.
White color.
When they talk to you, how to show that you're concentrate.
I focus my work, sir.
When they talk to you, how you should look at them.
Unto I said,
Well, that is normal. Why is so hard to answer this question? I don't understand. Okay? So eyes to eyes. Understand?
yes, sir.
And also, okay, the one in the middle, the red color. When you make when you make mistake, how you should respond, how you should what you should do.
I will say sorry to my employer, sir.
Admit the mistake. That is better way. All right.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. When should you do your phone call to your family? The one on my right, this side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to my question? I say, when should you make phone call to your family?
If there is an if there is a call from my family, just I tell I bring my phone and then I cancel it. And then there's if emergency, I asking to my madam if I can use my phone. If there's madam accepted, there's no accepted, don't use phone. I didn't answer it.
So when you're working, should you keep talking to your family?
No, sir.
On your day off, can you use the phone and talk to your family?
If I'm working, sir,
No,
I
no,
didn't
no. I'm
answer.
saying day off, holiday.
They are yes, sir. I yes, sir. I can pick the calls of my family, sir. I use my phone.
And also every day, you can have a just a short if you want. After your work, you rest at 10, then after 10, maybe 10 minutes, like that. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
don't. The more you talk to them, the more trouble you will have. When you're working, you are not supposed to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 10. How do you make sure the employer know that you understand and be able to speak fluent English when they give you the instructions? The one yellow t-shirt.
Sorry, sir. I didn't understand.
Yeah, good question. I say, when they give you an instruction, how do they know that you understand the instruction and be able to do it right? What you should do to them?
I will tell them. I will say thank you for them, sir. If they
Only thank you? Thank you means that you understand? No, more than that. Okay, the next one, the one with black t-shirt. That's no, no, no. You answer me. The black color shirt, black, black color, long hair. Yeah.
Black. I'm sorry, sir. I will tell my employer that I acknowledge what he or she said. I acknowledge that means I understand. And if I don't understand, I will ask him to kindly repeat what he is instructing me.
Well, at low age, you understand doesn't mean anything. Just like another simple word. Yes, mom, I know. Well, do you really know? They don't know, right? I already told you. The best thing is to repeat their instruction, right? When they tell you to do ABC, you just repeat. Oh, so yes, mom, I'm going to do ABC like that, in this way. Then they know you understand, right?
Yes.
Well, I don't know what kind of training you folks have. These are basic questions. Okay, when we come back to household work, number one, cleaning the household item. How do you make sure you're doing a good job with your cleaning job? Okay, from now, one by one to answer each question. The one on my left, the white color. Yes. How do you do a good cleaning job? Because that's the best thing you can do when you start the job.
so
How?
Only daily job, the best thing that you can do. I'm cleaning downstairs. Awesome. So I'm good at cleaning the house. Um, I preparing breakfast in the morning.
Well, actually, that's not a good answer. You know, a good answer is that whatever you do the cleaning, do it completely. And after doing the cleaning, you check, make sure there's no dust there, and the cleaning job is complete. Okay, that's what you should do with the cleaning job. Understand?
Yes, sir.
How about the ironing job? You know, the one next to you.
Doing the ironing job, of course, I will make sure that all clothes are ironed before I will start, and I will put them in a cabinet, everything, and I will make sure also that after I have ironed, I put in place the ironing board so that it will look clean again.
Well, there are different kind of material. Do you know how to separate them? And some you can do the direct ironing. Some you need to put a towel underneath. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. There are clothes also that need to be hung. Some clothes just need to file or fold. Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. And question number 3 is about cooking skill. So the one in the middle. Probably you don't know much Chinese cooking when you start. How can you demonstrate that you can cook?
I will ask my madam sir if the dishes that you want, if that is really she want to I cook, and I ask the main ingredients and the the main ingredients that I prepared, so I cannot make a mistake.
Well, but you don't know how to cook it. Then definitely you're going to make a mistake.
I will ask my madam sir, so she will give me the instruction, or she sent me a menu, or the ingredients that I need.
Well, better way is that let them show you how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, and then you take the notes and try to learn. They don't
Yes, sir.
mind that you're not cooking well from day one, but the next time you cook, you should be able at least to pass, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you have observed, you have learned. Okay,
Yes,
nobody
sir.
is perfect and be able to do everything from day one. And I tell you, usually they will not ask you to do cooking from day one, but
Yes,
you
sir.
have to learn, and actually you should start learning now. Okay, if you want to keep the
Yes,
job, there are many from
yes,
YouTube, from your friends, learn from them. Understand?
yes, sir.
Okay, the next one is keep items safe, perfect condition. How can you do it? The one next red t-shirt.
Right. Safe. How can you keep the item safe in conditions? I will check then, sir, if it's in the safe. I will check the cover.
Well,
Okay.
you can you can put it in proper order, right? The worst
Yes,
thing
sir.
you should do is, move away things to different places. Because
Yes, sir.
if you do it without employer's permission, then probably they cannot find it and they will question you because you haven't asked them. So just keep it in the original pace, keep it clean and tidy. And if something is broken, then you should tell them immediately because otherwise they may say that you are the one to break it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next one, the right t-shirt girl, how to make sure you get the job done completely, thoroughly. Answer me.
Sir, sir.
What's wrong with you? I always have to ask. That is 1.6. Get work done completely. How can you do it properly?
I will check, sir, when I when I and when I'm doing. Just I will check it all. Then
Okay, you have to, after you do something, you check that you're really get it done. Okay? Don't
sir.
don't just halfway or you have some careless mistake or a little dirt when you're doing a cleaning job. Then make sure you clean everywhere, right? That is
Yes, sir.
what you should do by get the job done completely. Okay? Also
Yes,
in the
sir.
kitchen, in the toilet. So come back to the second one, red t-shirt. How to keep good personal hygiene. The red color t-shirt. You are the one to answer.
Yes, sir. Ano na, sir?
Personal hygiene. Okay, personal hygiene.
Uh,
Vacation.
take a shower, sir. I will put my hair tight and ponytail.
Well,
I
those
will
are
wash my hand,
yes,
take
yes.
a shower.
Especially some employer are very sensitive. After you clean up the floor, you throw away the trash. Always have a practice that you wash your hand, so then you have a good hygiene. Understand? And
Yes, sir.
before when you give the food to the kids, they always want to make sure that you're clean. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one in the mid, how to show politeness to the employer that you're polite to them. Easy answer. Orange, orange or yeah, you're in the middle. Your answer.
Yes, I will show the polite way, sir, greeting them in the morning or in the evening, and show them always that you wearing a smile on your face, and you need to you need to be a cheerful person, sir.
Also, when they complain on you, don't give them long face. Okay? Just keep
Yes, sir.
quiet. Okay? And don't show you are angry. Okay? Or down mood, something like that. Okay, next one, number 4, efficiency. How to show them that you are efficient at work. The one, long hair, tall girl.
I can show them that I am efficient at work if everything is in order. I can do everything that is assigned to me that my employer has instructed me to do.
Well, you have to do it in the reasonable time limit. You cannot just sweep the floor for 2 hours, iron a clothes for 1 hour, right? That doesn't make sense. So you have to do it properly, and also within a good time limit. Don't try to kill time. Okay? The next one is about obedience. Follow instruction and no argument. How you show you are obedient to the employer. The one next, you, the white collar girl. Well, I kind of seriously doubt about your ability to communicate. Just answer a simple question: how to show you are obedient to the employer. You are the one, the white collar. You are the one next to the black girl. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Then answer me. You're getting impatient. What the? How to show you are obedient to the employer. What you have? Huh?
I follow the role by employer.
Well, follow the instruction of the employer. That is obedience. What's so hard to answer the question? Shake up, okay? Listen carefully to what I ask, okay? You are still under the interview. You're not doing fine. You may lose this job. You want to go home? Tell me now. I don't mind. I don't need someone who cannot speak or work. I need someone who can respond properly. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 6, honesty. So you're probably able to answer. The one in the middle, the yellow t-shirt, how to show you're honest.
And will show the way of honesty, sir, when, for example, when the employer left the money, you need to give it back and tell them that they are forget the money, that and you need to be honest in everything you do.
Sounds good. Very good answer. Okay. Number 7 is about caring the children. 7.1, feed them properly and on time. I guess this one, no need much saying, but you have to watch the clock, and whatever time they ask you to feed, then do it properly, right? 7.2, willing to talk and play with the kids. How can you do it well? The one next, the red color t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
You are the only one wearing the red color, right?
Sorry, sir. Yes.
How? How can you play with the kids?
When they ask me to pick them, sir.
No, not to feed, to play with them.
Play?
Willing to play. Yeah, play.
Play? Oh, sorry, sir. I play with them. If it's a girl, sir, I will play with like dancing or singing.
Then what if a boy?
Boy, singing, sir, or play the ball.
Well, actually, you have to make sure they like you. They're playing with them is to keep them as your friend, okay? So that you can control them.
Yes, sir.
So another one is how to keep them in control. The one on your left, on your right. This girl, yeah. keep the kids in control. How can you do it?
Keep the control, self-control,
Yes, keep the children in control, just like your
student,
own child.
student control. What's that?
I mean, keep them in good mood, under your control. That is important.
Keep the control.
Keep the children in control.
How how to keep the children control?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Um. Uh. How about if the children, I don't know the children's attitude, right? So I can I can tell more about the good attitude like that. So if the children's I know how I don't know what's the attitude. So um you know sometimes maybe I need to talk or I need to play like that. That's that's all, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Well, I think another one is about care about their safety. So
So,
how do you do that? The second one, how to care the children's safety. The red color T-shirt.
I will I will see my the children. I will watch the children every second, sir.
Are you sure you can do that every second?
mm,
When they will not be so safe?
When
When
we
they're
are
going to
outside,
school, yeah, cross the street, that's the time. You have to be very careful, right?
yes, sir.
Also, when they're in the playground, you have to always keep an eye on them because somebody may take them away, right?
Yes, sir.
so
So that's the way to keep them safe. Okay, uh, back to number 14, financial problem. Should you borrow money in Hong Kong?
no,
No,
no.
Well, then what if you have a financial problem? Who you should talk to?
They have a lot of the ways, but if you if you're not allowed to borrow money from your employer, no, you no need to borrow your friends, your employer, because this is not um that that's not good. This is not helping you.
Not at all. And also, I tell you, there are not many ways. Okay, the only
Yes,
way
sir.
is that you spend within your boundary. You earn
Your own.
5,000, then you should spend maybe 4,500. Keep 500 to yourself.
Yes, sir.
Don't overspend. Even your family asks you a lot because that's your limit. But for some very emergency case, like your child in a hospital needs surgery, then you can talk to your employer and let them lend you the money, okay? And then you pay back
yes,
in certain period. They are reasonable. If you are doing your good job, they can help, but not on the first day, right? You cannot go there the first day and saying that your your kid in hospital and you need 10,000. No way. Actually, within the first 3 months or even 6 months, it is nothing. Is no. But you should not borrow money. You should not steal money. That is important, right? And
Yes,
yes,
sir.
also,
sir.
you should not you should not be a co-borrower for someone's loan, because don't trust your friends. Some of them may ask you to be their co-signer and give you some money. Actually, they're using you. Sooner or later, you will be in trouble, because actually they are going to run away and you are the one suffer. So don't do that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15. Willing to help, take initiative. The one on the right hand of this yellow skirt, the fourth one. How to answer this question? Willing to help.
Willing to help.
Yeah, how to show you're willing to help?
I can show that I am willing to help by willing to help is that willing to help with other or with our employer.
No, willing to help your own employer.
With my employer, willing to help. If, for example, I am seeing my employer that she is carrying something heavy, of course I will help her or him.
Yeah, that's only one example. Maybe sometimes they have an emergency, need your help, maybe on your day off, then do it, right? To show that
Yes,
you are
sir.
very helpful. When you show helpful, then they will show appreciation. But or sometimes they ask you to work late because they have friends there. You will do it, right? You will not just say, "Oh, I rest at 10 o'clock. Sorry, I will not do it." That is very stupid. Well, I guess 16. No need to talk too much. Willing to set any day off because that is a rule. Okay? If
Yes,
they
sir.
ask you any day off, you take it. Not necessary. Should you ask for Sunday off?
Yes, sir. Saturday or Sunday.
No. Should you ask for that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If they give you Monday, then what?
Yes.
It's okay, sir.
Then take it, right?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Report home on time. Okay, the one next to you, on the corner. The what time is the right time to go home? You think? You tell me on your day off, what time is the right time to go home?
7, you also for your first.
Speak
Yes,
louder. What time?
7 in the morning, sir.
7 in the morning.
7 p.m., sir. Sorry. Evening, 7 evening.
If you were my maid, you cannot last for one day. You're so nervous. You're not concentrate. 7 p.m. But actually 7 p.m. is a little bit early. No need. It can be 8 p.m. But 7 is okay if you can go home at 7. But usually the helper will get back home at 8. Okay?
Yes.
But also you can negotiate with the employer whatever time they ask you. But they should not ask you to be back home by 5 or 6. Okay? You can say that you're still busy at something. You can only be back at 7 because you got that right. No problem. Well, after reviewing all this question, now I know that some of you are quite prepared. Some of you are not so ready. But anyway, I will not kick you out because you cannot answer the question. But who's in charge here? The staff. Who is the staff here?
Monday.
Oh,
Where
wait,
is
sir.
she?
She's
I want to
outside.
bring her in.
Somebody from. She's coming.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sorry.
I think
Yes, sir.
I think you have to do a little extra training for this girl. Beside the
Okay, sir.
besides the black color shirt girl. What's your name?
Who, sir?
Not you, the
Black.
one next to you.
This one.
White.
Geraldine.
Geraldine.
Well, tell me your background. Where did you work before?
Where did you work before?
Saudi, sir.
You don't look like much experience. Or you don't, well, your employer did not talk to you in English,
And talk to English, sir.
and you don't know how to answer them. You just keep quiet. Your English is pretty lousy. You're lucky that you're able to get this job. I'll give you the chance, but you better practice and be able to talk. Because in Hong Kong, everyone, you have to talk to your employee in English, right? You cannot talk to them in Tagalog. Understand?
Yes,
Try
Yes,
to
sir.
respond properly. You look like a fool. What, that you did not sleep last night? Don't tell me you're nervous, okay? When you're
Okay.
nervous on the job, then they will send you home. Is that what you want? Sometimes we have girls like you, ex-Middle East. I thought they are quite okay, but actually you are not so okay. You can hardly answer the question. You don't use your brain. If you're not ready, tell me. I can take away your job. Are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Then do more training. Let them train you up. So the staff, you should base on those questions. Let them think, answer, write down how to do a proper job on all those items. Understand? Where is the
Yes,
staff?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so try this one and also the one on the other hand corner.
Wearing red, sir.
No, the one also white color, white t-shirt at the corner. The last one, first one.
It's agreed, sir. Yes, sir.
You better have more training. You're better than her, but not so good. You better also have some more training from the agents.
Okay, sir.
But at least you can answer better. Anyway, this is my first time I did training like this. But I think this one should be helpful. At least I know who is more ready, who is more smart. I don't want one of you coming to Hong Kong 2 days, they send you home. That's not what I expect. By the way, some general things. You have to cut your hair to this chin level before you go there.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And you always have to wear t-shirts, tight collar, not the loose one. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check the one by one. The one for my right, this one. Yes. Tell me a bit about your background. Your background, not this one. Where you work, how
Sir,
old
for
you
a
are,
while.
everything.
I will check my camera. Your background being.
Okay, tell me.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Just keep it there. It's okay.
Okay. Hello,
Okay.
sir. Good afternoon. My working experience in Saudi Arabia and 4 years a domestic helper.
How old are you?
32 years old, sir.
Single, married, single parent?
Single parent.
How many kids?
I have 4 kids, sir.
4 kids.
Yes, sir.
How old your children?
16 years old, 10 years old, 9 years old, and 5 years old.
Who will take care of them?
My parents, sir.
Your parents.
Yes.
You folks should have a backup plan. If your parents cannot take care, who can take care? Because some girls, they have to quit the job because no one cares their children, right? So
Yes, sir.
you have to think about it. Understand?
I have also. Yes, sir.
You have brother, sister?
Yes, sir. I have brother and sister. I have sister also. They taking care of my kids
I hope
or
you
helping my parents.
I hope you will not distressed by your children because you got 4. That's quite a lot, you know. And also, they can also look for your help, financial help. But remember, you're already earning a good income compared to most others. Don't try to, steal or other means to collect money for your family. That's not right, and you will hurt yourself. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your job. How many adult and kids on your job order?
The main, I have just only two. My madam and my boss, just only two.
Well, that is quite easy as long as you please
Just
them.
only I'm housekeeping. I do it for housekeeping, sir. Almost 4 years.
Then pay more attention to do that. But I must tell you, when they're only one couple, they will look at you very, very closely. Don't try
Sorry,
to.
sir.
And also, if they don't like you, they can kick you out anytime because they can do it themselves. So when you look like a fool, then you will really become a fool. Okay, next, the one.
Next.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. I'm Lisa Dizon, 34 years old, single parent. I have one daughter, sir. I work in Malaysia for 2 years.
How many people you took care?
Just 3, sir.
Any kids?
No, sir. They,
They're
they're
all
adults.
they're all adults.
Yes.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
about your job in Hong Kong?
Washing clothes, sir. Ironing,
No, how
gardening.
many adults, how many kids?
Elder is 2, the and 1 kids.
How old?
She is 55 years old.
So you mean the all adults and senior citizen?
Yes, sir.
How old the grandparents, the old one?
82, sir, and the lady is 79, 78.
Can you take care elderly?
Yes, sir. Looking for that.
They can easily get stroke like that. And I don't know
No,
how
sir.
good they are.
They are healthy, sir.
At this moment, how do you know? When you get there, they got stroke because you're so.
When
You-
when I was there, sir, they are still healthy.
No,
But
I'm
now
not
I don't
talking.
know.
No. I'm not talking about the past one in Malaysia. I'm talking about the employers in Hong Kong. How many of them?
4, sir.
How old?
16 years old and 19 years old.
And one couple.
And 1 couple, sir.
So basically they're teenager and adults. So still you concentrate on the household work, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is it? What district?
District Shingshu. And Shu.
Shui.
Shingshu.
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 I don't know How to spell it?
Shui.
SHAUNG. SHUI.
I think it's
Shui.
Shangshui.
Ah,
Shangshui,
Shangshui.
very far away, almost 1.5 hours from our office. Okay, it's new
Yes, sir.
territory. How big the house?
It's 1,800.
Pretty big, maybe 3-4. Good for you. You have to walk up and down to the household work, and you can lose weight. No,
Yes, sir.
Mm, that you should. It's good for you in that way. Okay, right in the middle, the other one. Yeah, tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. I'm Lavelia Malinaw. I'm 40 years old. I have two kids, both girl, and I'm a domestic helper in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and my work there is cooking, cleaning, and taking care of children.
How long you work there?
8 years, sir.
Oh, so you are very experienced. So, what about your job in Hong Kong? How many adult and kids?
One couple only, sir, and I taking care one dog and one turtle.
And care the pets, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So taking care one couple, as I say, easy, but at the same time you have to demonstrate. All right.
Yes, sir.
So where is the location? How big the house?
The house, sir, is a 1,600, and it has 4 rooms.
Nice house. Bigger than my house. You have
Sir.
your own quarter.
Yes, sir.
Where is the district? What location?
Saikong district, sir.
Huh?
Saikong district.
Tai Po, right? Or what?
Saikong.
Oh, Saigon district. Also, the new territory side. It takes almost 1.5 hours to my place. Very, very good uh, environment. You know, so that is a good job, and I think you should be able to handle it. No problem. Okay,
Yes.
next.
Hi, sir. Again, good afternoon. My name is Alicia Velasco. I am 52 years old, single, no babies. I've been working in Hong Kong on October 1, 2023 until March 17 of 2024. I what do you call this? I go home because of my mother during that time got sick, and my sister who will be taking care of her supposed to be go to Canada. And now I will be going back there, same employer. My employer called me last time, and they are only two in the house. The one is her mother, which is 83 years old, and my employer who is working outside during that time. But now I think she got her half body paralyzed. That's why they need my help right now. So I I know how to take care of the sick patient because during that time when my father, during pandemic, my father got hospitalized due to kidney problem. I took care of my father. I've been lifting my father, assisting him going to the toilet. I changed his diaper. I cleaned her during his giving poo. I change everything to him. I take a bath for him. So I know I can better help my former employer.
So now you say
Um,
that there's only two person in the house. One is
yes, sir.
senior
Yes.
citizen, and then
Come again?
one is a senior citizen,
Yes.
elderly.
Yes,
She's
sir.
healthy or disabled?
Yes, she is healthy. Actually, she is always doing exercise.
And you say the one younger one, 50 something, she got a mild stroke.
Yes, sir.
How long you work for them before?
5 months. Yes, before.
And before that, did you work in some other country?
In Taiwan, but it's electronic company production.
And so you are direct hire. You must be direct hire because, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we will not recommend someone at your age. You are 52.
But I'm healthy, sir. I'm not having a sick even before. I am healthy.
But the problem is, as an agent, we will not take that risk. Who know when you get there? You know, you have health problem, and then, and I'll put it this way: most employer will not accept someone at your age unless they know you. You know, they
Yes,
like
sir.
you.
I know.
Well, you have your own advantage. You speak very good English. I understand. But never mind. You know, we don't have problem. You just wait. Let me check. 喂，你兩個
Yes,
人入
sir.
嚟呢一個妹52歲 direct hire 係你哋邊個㗎？你有一個 direct hire 52歲嘅咩？係邊個㗎？係你啊定係 Kara 㗎？ When did you get the job order? When you have the job order?
Come again, sir?
When is the job order? Is on the paper. Yes.
We received that July 17, sir.
July 17.
July 17 17號啊，7月17號嘅喎。你哋有個 JO direct hire，你哋唔知嘅咩？50幾歲喎，唔奇怪嘅咩？你哋我知道，你都起碼睇下係邊個啊，望下樣啊。
係啊，啱啊，呢個係啊，啱啊，呢個。
OK，
係啊，啱啊。
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you are okay. I don't have question for you. Okay, go
Okay,
to the
thank you,
last
sir.
one.
Yes.
Last one. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Geraldine Borseño. I'm 40 years old. Ma'am, nag-stop po.
Technical. Sa
Okay.
kanya.
Okay. Can you see me?
I'm,
I can hear you.
No.
No problem.
I'm separated, sir, and then I have 2 kids. And I have work experience in Saudi Arabia. My work experience there is all around cleaning in the house, cooking, taking care of the children, ironing, washing clothes.
How many years you work there?
4 years and 6 months, sir.
So,
Yan.
pretty long time, you know, but you looked quite quiet, you know, that really surprised me. How many helpers in the house?
2 adults, sir, and 1 kids, 2 years old. 2 years old.
No, I say how many domestic helper?
Only me, sir.
You know, that's what I say. You have to listen carefully what other tell you. Otherwise, you look like a dumb girl, okay? You have to listen carefully what they ask you in order to answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then about your employers in Hong Kong, how many adult and kids?
On 16 years old, sir, have 16 years old. And 3 adults, sir.
3 adults and 1 16-year-old girl. What
Yes.
you mean?
Hmm?
Is that correct?
So, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so basically you do household work 16 years, they can be quite independent. So where is your employer? What district you work at?
Tai Fu.
Also Tai Po.
Yes, sir.
How big the house?
2,000 square feet. It's 2017. And for room, sir. Room, for.
Okay, so that is also a big house, so a lot of cleaning work. All right.
Yes, sir.
So try to do your job right. You know, and I think
Yes, sir.
you need some more training from the employer. I mean,
Yes,
from the
sir.
agents, just to help you out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I make this briefing very long, but I hope it will be helpful to you. And try to go Hong Kong on time. Okay, that's all I say. Okay, and good luck. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Thank you